This RE/MAX Realty Professionals property video is presented by Ron Pletcher. Paired patio home in the maintenance-free community of Peppergrass. Situated on Bloomington's south side, this neighborhood is convenient to Kroger, CVS, parks, and the YMCA. This home has lovely private green space behind it and a large patio to enjoy outdoor time. Features include 2 bedrooms plus a study/office, 2 full baths, a great room combining a dining room and a living room with vaulted ceiling, floor-to-ceiling gas fireplace, and 2 Anderson glass doors opening to the patio. There are Anderson windows throughout the home. There is a 2-car garage and a laundry room just off the garage. The eat-in kitchen provides ample room to create a beautiful modern kitchen. This home has great possibilities and is priced to allow the next owner to renovate and update in any way they choose. The friendly Peppergrass community has a clubhouse, pool, shelter house, and tennis court.